Alright, what's up YouTube? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to teach you how to cop Yeezys for retail. I copped 3 pairs of the triple blacks, the non-reflectives last week. They're all online, so I'm going to give you like a step-by-step guide on how to purchase the next drop. So the next drop is July 13th. They're a North America exclusive and full family size run. I'm gonna give you my spin on it. Usually I'm pretty good at online. A lot of confidence goes into it. So if you go in there thinking you're gonna take an L, you're probably gonna take an L. If you go in there thinking bots are, doing their thing, they're gonna do their thing while you sulk, and that's just how it goes. But if you go in there with a positive mindset while not expecting anything in return, you're in a good place. Because if you take the L, you're just like, whatever, fuck it, I'll go out, watch a movie with my side chick or something, or your girl. But if you take a dub, you're like, hey, it wasn't too bad. Forget all the clutter, let's just get into it. Alright, so Yeezy supply, absolute best. The last drop, they sold out hours later. But the only downside of Yeezy supply is you run into a lot of errors, the site's buggy. Adidas now runs Yeezy supply, so you should probably be in good shape in the future. I'm pretty sure they're gonna be fixing the website. What you wanna do, this is very important, what you wanna do is go to your Gmail and you wanna create a bunch of these people. Now you can have all your emails. I got all my emails that I have, but then I created multiple people. So then when you go down here, you go to manage people, right? You can browse as a guest, but you don't want to do that. You want to add a person. So let's just add another person. I already got like 10 people, so let's shoot person 11. Bet. So now you got person 11. Awesome. So then you go to Yeezy Supply, and you'll notice if you've gone to Yeezy Supply and as your other person, it's not going to show up, and that's because it's an entirely different browser or account. So it's a brand new cookie. Basically, the best way to cop these Yeezys is by doing this. So you go to Yeezy Supply, you go to just some dumb shiznit, right? You go to, let's just click on this jacket, $400 Harriet Tubman. You already know. So you go to check out, obviously nobody's on the site, there's no drops. So you go to check out, and then let's just put in some random information. Let's just do matt1 at blah at gmail.com, and let's just do matt a123 Maple Street. Yeah, that's fine. And continue to shipping. So yeah, you also have to enter valid information, right? So enter a valid phone number. You're gonna know this, but what you're gonna do is you're going to bookmark. So you're gonna bookmark this page, and then it's gonna show, to make it easier, bookmark it as like checkout. So now you have a bookmark, show bookmarks bar. So you wanna show the bookmarks bar. So on drop day, you're set. And in order to increase your chances, you'll go to the next step, right, to shipping, and then you'll bookmark that, and then you'll bookmark payments. It's a very tedious process, but you have 3 chances for it not to bug out on drop day. So that's what happened whenever the blacks dropped. It bugged out on one of mine, but then I clicked the other one and it went through, and then I was able to fill out my information, check out, and I'm a happy person. So you do that to each of these, person 1, 2, 3, all of them. And the more accounts, the better. Don't make too many accounts. Yeezy Supply does allow multiple orders with the same card and same address. No alterations are needed. Now, if you buy 20 pairs, they may or may not find out that you were doing that, and then you're screwed. That's how you cop on Yeezy Supply. That's how you get all these people copying left and right. Because what happens is that cookie is saved. So on drop day, it remembers that, so you skip the queue. And if the site's running smoothly, these shoes will sell out while you're in the queue if you play it that way. because people have already caught on. That's basically the new standard, to bookmark, go through that process, or bot up the website. You don't need a bot. There's so many resellers or wannabes that have bots. You don't need a bot. These dudes, they'll literally pay hundreds of dollars for a bot. No hate, like that's how they do it. But it varies. They'll cop 2 pairs while relying on a bot, whereas like if you really hustle these websites, like especially Yeezy Supply, foot sites, Adidas.com, you will cop. You'll definitely cop. Moving on, you're gonna go to Adidas.com. So Adidas.com/Yeezy. This is the same process. So it's like seamless integration. It works for Yeezy Supply, it works for Adidas.com. You're pretty much gonna go to all your persons again, and then open up a bunch of mini tabs, and then what you're gonna do is just minimize it like so, and then just kind of put them aside and do a bunch of them. So don't do too many, because then your computer's gonna start running slow and it's not keeping up. So find that sweet spot during the drop. If 10 browsers are fine, then do so. And then also have like a Safari open, one with Bing, who knows, just a bunch, right? A bunch of mini windows. So the cool thing about Adidas.com is what's gonna happen here is whenever you get through the queue, if you get through the queue, you're gonna get a ding. So you wanna have all these browsers active, just kind of monitor them, supervise, make sure that they're updating the queue. You know how it works if you've done drop day. Once you get through, you'll hear a ding, and as soon as you hear that ding, you minimize every single tab, you minimize everything, and you find that one that got through. You could open up more tabs. People don't say that, but open up more tabs. You get more chances after you cop. You're still in that place to check out sizes, so you add another one, and then you add another one, and you add another, and you go as fast as you can till your time expires, because the queue's only that time to select and buy. There's like maybe a 5 to 10 minute gap. This ensures that Adidas can keep letting people through the queue, and the line can keep moving. So it's basically set up for people to check out comfortably and then move on. But you know, if you get 5 to 10 minutes to cop and the website's not bugging out like last time, you're pretty much set to get 2 to 3 pairs while in that process. So that is it. That's all the video is today. That's all I want to say. There's 2 good websites, 2 main websites. You got Adidas, Yeezy Supply, and then the second tier is the foot sites, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Champs, Eastbay, with Finish Line with that. And then the third tier is like your Shoe Palace, Kicks USA, DTLR, all those websites. And then your bottom tier is those boutiques, Social Status, European websites. Those I stay away from. It's a waste of time. You gotta work smart, not hard. You know the deal. You know the deal. So if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Until next time, it's your boy Matt, signing out. Peace.